Okay, I thought it would be good to show you how to insert images into your bulb since you need to have a picture. So you want to go to the beginning of a line and it will give you the option to add a video, an image, a file, an audio, or a link. So I'm going to choose image. I have some images in my Google Drive. And I'll come down here. They kind of all pull up automatically. I'm not going to put a picture of my new car. But let's take this picture right here. Since I have to have a picture of myself. And this picture is way too big. So if I make it smaller, a little bit smaller. And I want it over here. Oops, I don't need to do that. I want it over here, and that will put my text around